Hi friends, today I am covering a very controversial topic for anybody and everybody is tax scrutiny. Most of us wants to earn the maximum money but pay least amount of taxes. That is called tax efficiency or tax avoidance. However, some of the people in doing this tax efficiency and tax avoidance try to make up which is called tax evasion. That is not what anybody should do because the people who tries to do tax evasion, when any tax scrutiny comes, they are scared. Hence, I want to cover here any tax scrutiny means what and how tax scrutiny can go very smooth, removing any fear of yours. Tax scrutiny means what? That you have filed a return, tax department has certain clarifications to ask for it, and when they ask for the clarification, at that time your answers are linked to what? Now, why your tax scrutiny comes is the major issue so that it can be avoided. If you file a tax return by proper scrutinizing your documents, which are all your bank statements. In the bank statements, all entries coming to the credit or deposits with the source of income and also the nature of income. Whether all those credit entries have been properly reflected in your tax return. If it was an income, then added to your income and paid taxes. If it was loan, then accordingly shown with a loan confirmation you have. If it was a return of investment or return of loan, accordingly you have a document to prove that. All the credits are accordingly taken. Similarly, all issues of checks or deposits which you have given further by debiting your bank account, you should have adequate documentary support for the same. Suppose you are buying a house, you made payment, you should have a bank deposit and receipt from the builder. If you are investing into the mutual funds, shares, you have the broker's note. If you are giving a loan to any friends, relative, you are getting a confirmation with the respective PAN number. If you have done a proper accounting of your all bank statements, verified from the tax credit statement of 26AS, your all rentals are accounted for with the agreements and bank deposits, any cash transactions are recorded, then you have filed a tax return very correctly and nicely. Now the issue comes, your family, how does they do their normal family expense of staying in the house, rental, fooding, lodging, education, electricity bills, holiday, all these matters. Most of the people ignore this aspect and this drawing amount do not get adequately or correctly reflected or depicted in their bank or in their respective balance sheet. So hence in the tax scrutiny, tax officer definitely wants to know how your household expenses are met. And if there is a mismatch, then that mismatch is considered as an undisclosed income. So you should know that there is a reasonable cash withdrawal every month to meet your daily needs, weekly needs, monthly needs. All your school fees are paid by check. Most of the things are now online payments are there, credit card payments are there. So they are all depicted through that part. Once they are all adequately covered in your balance sheet, in your tax return, in your books of account, you don't have to worry about the tax scrutiny. Even if it comes, you have no worry because you have not done anything wrong, you have not done any tax evasion. It's only to be explained. And when you explain the other side of the part, which is a tax officer, he also understands that it's a matter of explaining the transaction rather than any evasion aspect of it. Now we come to a business company who has come to the tax scrutiny. In a business transactions, all reconciliations has to happen whether with the GST return, whether with the TDS return, whether any imports through IC code with the customs department. If the match is there with all these returns, then tax officer is very comfortable and satisfied. Then he can create comfort on only the expenses which you have shown. Major expense is always either a salary with the payroll, which normally is paid by check to the employees, then your major expenses in any case, rental, electricity, overheads, admin expense, these are all by check supported by the agreements. Hence, tax scrutiny should not be taken as a unnecessary impedance for your business. Rather, you should feel comfortable that this tax scrutiny will clear up all transactions what they did legitimately for your business, comfortably for your business with all due supports. You should try to maintain all documentary evidence with online process, with scanned process, so that you are not dependent on a physical record ever. And then you are comfortable to produce the records to the tax officer anytime and every time whenever they desire. So friends, this episode was to make you understand what tax scrutiny means, how you should not feel uncomfortable about it, how to go about it, and how to store your documents so that any such event of tax scrutiny does not bother you and takes care instantly and very comfortably.